Next, let's take a look at the Bevel tool. By applying a bevel to a selected edge, you can round it into a chamfered or curved surface. First, switch to Edge Select mode, choose any edge, and activate the Bevel tool. You'll see a handle appear on the selected edge. Drag it to apply a bevel. The bevel will follow the distance you drag, creating a chamfered edge. If you scroll the mouse wheel while dragging, additional edges will be added, turning it into a rounded surface. However, scrolling while dragging can feel awkward. A better way is to confirm the operation first and then increase the segments value in the pop-up menu. This gives you precise control over the number of added edges. In the same pop-up menu, you can set the profile type to Custom and adjust the curve to apply a more specific beveled shape. When working with complex shapes, the default number of edges might not be enough. Adjust the segments value based on the complexity of your model. This feature is especially useful for designing furniture like tables and chairs, allowing you to easily create decorative edges. The hotkey for the Bevel tool is Ctrl-B. When you press Ctrl-B, it retains the previous bevel settings, so be sure to reset the profile type if needed. After pressing Ctrl-B, you can adjust the bevel width by dragging and modify the number of segments by scrolling the mouse wheel. The Bevel tool can also be applied to vertices, not just edges. To bevel a vertex, select it, press Ctrl-B, then press V. In the lower options panel, the affect setting will change from edges to vertices, allowing you to apply beveling to the selected vertices.